Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, whole lot of volume, well above average on it. It was in the headlines. I traded it quite a bit today. From a disclosure standpoint, I don't own any shares currently, but I will definitely be looking to potentially trade it on Tuesday. So this will be me kind of talking to myself out loud, and these will be some of the levels that really stand out to me. First area that really stands out from a support standpoint is this level of support right here at basically 135.50. This is, stands out to me because this was essentially the area of resistance that had formed in the late morning, early afternoon, and then when the price got above it, you could see that was definitely the kind of floodgates opening up, because the price made a very, very impressive movement from there, but since then rolled all the way back over, and now is essentially sitting right at that area. So 135.50, and I should note that this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, others that use charts, understand charts, are watching the same level and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have with 135.50, because people are wondering, is this level going to hold as support again, or could there be a potential break to the downside? And if there is, then at that point, next level of support, not until down around 133.25. And while there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it would not be shocking at all to see the price, at least, if not, go further, go down to that green line right there. And from a per share perspective, I mean, that's a few dollars. So from a day trading and scalping point of view, that there's plenty of opportunity right there to scalp out some profits. And like I said, it would not be shocking to see it go down there if, potentially lower than that. So if the price does go lower than that, next level of support that then you'd want to keep an eye on is that purple line there, which is the 50-day simple moving average, and that's valued essentially right at the round number of 132. So not only is it a round number of 132, it also happens to be where the 50-day moving average is. And again, that whole self-fulfilling prophecy aspect right around that area there, as you can see, the price essentially bounced right off that purple line today. I'm not talking about any other areas of resistance, because in my mind at least, top priority right now is just all about how's the price going to react relative to these areas of support, because there could be some potential very nice trade plans that are developed from these areas. So the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.